Hey, what's up, everybody? Paul here, Left Coast Model Car Builds. Happy Friday. Hope you had a good week. Yeah, mine's been another hectic one. They just keep on coming one after another. But we're still here, grinding away. So we missed Tuesday. I still got to get to the resin stuff. I was going to do a quick little resin video showing some stuff I got from Iceman and Josh over at VCG. I might still do that. Always love getting their stuff. You know, I've gotten a few orders from Josh now, and that, man, the stuff is just beautiful. So we may still do that, but I've got to get over there and get our box of resins so we can get some more of the model house and stuff done. And I need to get to them anyways, trying to go through and do some organizing. You know, we're back, got more rain in, had a few clear days, and you may have seen the video painting. And here we go. None of this was just all mocked up here, but doing the little modified, if you've seen, it's yeah, I gotta say, it has been fun. It's been a cool little build. You know, it's nothing too crazy, just a lot of fun. You can kind of see what we're doing here. Got the body back there, got our engine, fuel line, plug wires, got a few other things we're going to add there. And then just this, you know, basic chassis, couple different blacks, some silver, running the fuel line. Really cool, a lot of fun. So, you know, it's nothing too wild. I don't know why a buddy of mine built one, and I was just like, man, the thing looks really cool. So kind of a quick build, but fun. And here we are. So Friday, but we're doing our throwback. We are checking out an old Mercury convertible, you know, which is really cool here. So we got our nice box art here. We got all our stuff. If seal is broken, have dealer examine contents. You know, back in the day, very cool, early stuff. You know, but I do really like the box art on these. Just really cool. Talks about all the other stuff that was available and new and exciting back in the day. And it's just neat the way they did these boxes, and we'll get more into this. I'll get everything kind of laid out, but almost dropped it. I want to do that with the convertibles, but really cool. Love working with this plastic. You've heard me say before, it's just a little different than the newer stuff. Nice molds on the interior. I mean, just very clean. This is going to be make for a really neat build one day. So looking forward to it. It'll be cool. Gonna have to repair a windshield frame, it looks like, but that's not the biggest deal. So anyhow, let me go ahead and get everything spread out. And thank you guys again for comments, likes, subs. We appreciate it. Check out the supporters here. Hopefully, like I say, with weather getting better and some other things falling into place, get back on the regular schedule here of building and videos. It's definitely been 4 or 5 weeks have been pretty hectic. So anyways, let me get this stuff spread out and we'll be right back. Give me a second. All right, so here's a look at our decal sheet. Now the sucker's old, but some cool stuff there, you know. And then we got our instructions, which gives you all these custom ideas, suggestions of parts that's in the kit, stuff you could swap out from other kits, which is really cool. They used to do, you know. And of course, Mr. George Barris gives tips for the advanced builder. Very neat. Always like the artwork on these, you know. But here we take a look at the basic build, you know. A lot of cool options here. All right, let's get the kit out, see what we got. All right, so there's our little mock-up. Some chrome wheels and white walls. Probably the way it'll end up one day as it's getting built. But you can see we got our full chrome tree here. You know, really cool stuff. And we've got all the parts bagged, separated, and try to keep stuff from anything getting broken or whatnot. But, you know, nice details on this. Yeah. Really enjoy these old basic kits. They're fun, they look neat, you can do a lot with them. You know, you can take the time to really detail them out, or just build a nice shelf model. But the plastic's always nice to work with. You got your body here, which is really nice. You know, nice plastic. Got our interior tub with actually really nice molds in here. Can do something really neat with that. You know, and your basic promo style chassis there. So yeah, it's kind of a little overview of our Mercury. So really cool stuff. Love these old kits. Yeah, this will be a fun one to build up one day. So all right, let's go ahead and get this put away, and we're going to take a look at our magazine. We'll be right back. All right, guys, so here we are with our Kustoms Illustrated issue number 23, Stardust, which is a beautiful 56 Ford we're going to take a look at in there, along with some other cool stuff as always. Always love looking through these. You know, these are magazines Luke did an outstanding job on. Tons of ideas and just fun literature, reads, stuff to check out. Old lacquer thinner can. Very cool. Love the art in these. Right off the bat, really nice 37 Chevy. You know, don't see those as often, but man, look at that thing. Really sweet. Just a beautiful build. Old Rancheros, really cool. Always love those. Old Rancheros are very neat. And you just don't see them quite as much as you do the El Caminos. Very cool. There you go. Very neat. The old 57 Ford styling kit. You know, really neat. Very cool Z sleds. Very neat. Check that out. That's a cool build right there. Really cool reads in these. You know, if you guys, hopefully you've checked out some of his stuff that's available. Pretty wild there with the scallops. That's cool. Check that out. A lot of crazy design work in that. The Goonie bird. Ah, that's neat. Look at that front end. Really cool. Just saw that chrome and the white walls really offset with that paint. You know, just one of those really nice, kind of subtle customs. the lucky one. Very cool. There's some cool old school kind of history pics there. It's one thing that's really neat. I mean, it's the collection of information and pictures that go into these is really neat. Just giving a well-rounded history on this custom culture. There's a beautiful Ford there, the Stardust. Just absolutely gorgeous. It's that nice custom interior work. A lot of work in the rear end, the front. Just very cool. You got your custom touches, but stuff that's definitely a little different, you know, all throughout that front end and the rear. Watson. Very cool. Always enjoy seeing Watson stuff. He's got outstanding paint work and builds that Larry did. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Beautiful stuff. A moon rocket. That is different. Look at the styling into that thing. You know, there's some of those things that, you know, whether it's your cup of tea or not, man, you gotta give credit in some of that styling, the amount of work that was done, you know. It's just some of the stuff they did back then. It's just wild. There's a nice Oldsmobile. Really cool. That's gorgeous paint work. That'd be another one. It'd be neat to see someone release some of those Oldsmobiles. Would be really cool. Lead sled spectacular. Very cool. That's neat. Very, very cool. Nice little Ford. Some nice artwork. Very cool. All right, and that is the end of our Customs Illustrated. Sorry we missed our Thursday for Throwback Thursday, but I did want to get it out. As I said, things have continued to be fairly crazy around home and work, so working on getting ahead on some stuff so we can get back to the norm here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the book, the model review, and we will catch you later. Enjoy your weekend, Easter weekend, and we'll probably see you here with another video or two before Sunday. Take care, everybody. Enjoy your Friday.